Hi, I'm Simi and this is the TOPFAB TF500, a compact CNC with industrial-grade power. The TOPFAB TF500 is a desktop CNC featuring artificial intelligence and 5 true axes. With free, easy-to-use software, automated operation, and extremely power, it allows you to make complex parts that other machines simply can't. A lot of people ask me if a desktop machine really can have industrial precision and can work with metal. So let me take you to know the factory behind this machine. This is one of the top NC factories, and in fact, is the smallest one, but even so, this is really impressive. They have a larger factory in Jiangxi. Look at this. TOPNC has been around since 2007. They produce high-quality machinery for heavy industry, and some of these machineries are even bigger than my house. They are high-quality and high-precise machine. You can see this part is made for airplanes. Here is the door side and also the window side, but not only that, you can check this out. They also make parts for rockets. And now they are bringing this industrial grade level to your home. You can see this is the first model with a lot of buttons to press. The design has like more industrial design and it was relatively bigger and heavier. This one has 189 kg, but you can see the second generation has less buttons. The appearance, I think, is a little bit better, and it's also a little lighter. This one weighs 150 kg. Then we have the third generation with 110 kg. And the fourth one, the one that we will check today, the TF500. It's much smaller and also lighter with only 75 kg. Let's check. And just one note, what we are testing today is a prototype. The final machine has more complete functions and maybe is slightly different in design. So don't worry, you will get a better machine when they start to send it out. The design is sleek and has dimensions of 600 x 500 x 500 mm, weighing approximately 75 kg. You can choose the cover in 3 different colors: gem green, orange, and lavender purple. This vertically sliding protective cover provides much better sealing performance. And despite its desktop proposal, its build quality strongly resembles industrial equipment. The fully enclosed body enhances safety and helps contain dust and debris. The ventilation and connectors are organized quite conveniently on the back. And let me show you some highlights of TF500. It has a 7-inch touchscreen, an automatic 8-tool magazine, automatic tool identification sensor, a dual vision system for automatic workpiece alignment. And I must say, I really like this machine because most of the steps are automated. You don't see many buttons or knobs and handles to adjust this or adjust that. you can let the machine do everything for you. You can see the 7-inch touchscreen. Here is the main page. You can check all the information, for example, like temperatures, the axis, the speed, and everything else. Then you can go to the second page. You can find the tools, information, then settings, and the last one, you can see all the warning messages. Everything you need to operate in this machine, you can use this screen. Even the tool change is done automatically by the machine. The compartment opens and TF500 handles the swap itself, with no manual intervention. This is super practical, the tools stay organized, there is no risk to lose them, and it saves a lot of time. And one more highlight. Most of the machines you find in the market, they state 5 axes, but in fact, it's 3 plus 2. They cannot work simultaneously, but the TF500 is different. 5 axes real. The TF500 offers 5 synchronized axes in real time. The linear X, Y, and Z axis works together with the AI axis, which has rotation range of less 110 degrees to plus 110 degrees. And the C-axis with continuous, more or less 360 degrees rotation. This allows you to machine complex surfaces and multiple angle cuts with just a single workpiece setup. And about the precision, I must say, if you just do decorative pieces, maybe you can accept a slight error. For example, maybe there is slightly different here, you will not notice so much, and that's okay. But when we are talking about pieces you need to use in a real machine that need to fit perfectly, precision is everything. TOPFAB states linear position of more or less 0.005 millimeters and angular and repeatability of more or less 5 arc seconds on the A and C axis. We run some tests and the measurement takes during our testing reminded within the specification, demonstrating performance close to those one you can find in industrial equipment. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine, the spindle. The TF500 reaches up to 60,000 RPM, surpassing many competitors that typically operates around 2,000 RPM. Besides being fast, the noise remained below 50 decibels. And this is true. Most of the time when the machine is working, especially with more soft material, for example like wood or some plastic, you barely hear the sound. You will hear a loud sound when it's working with metal, because touching metal will cause some noise, but this is something already expected from CNC machines. The biggest differentiator of TF500 is the AICN system. They created Top Studio platform for beginners, and they include a massive library of free projects. You can see here they have home deco, toys, tools, jewelries, art. It's not just a tool, it's an entry port into making and selling. It also has automatic toolpath, AI assistant modeling tools, simplified settings, and it was created to be very intuitive. So even if the user has no knowledge with CAD or gear code programming, they can still use the software. So now let's test the function photo to 3D modeling. You don't need to know any programming, you just need to come here to the software and then you can upload the photo, send it to the system, and then the AI automatically creates a 3D model and generates the matching strategy. And a few minutes later, we have the finished model. And now we can use this model to send to the machine and create our unique piece. Now that we already upload the file to the machine, let's do the little cymy. I will put the wood here because I want a wooden cymy. We can just adjust here to make sure the wood will not escape from it. Yes. Then close the door, and press start.
Is ready. I'm really impressed with all the details we can see in this piece. Let me show you close up. But it's amazing, really amazing.
This is just perfect. Look at how many details we can see. 5 fingers perfectly done. Even the ears. Oh my God, if you look inside the ears, you can see the details. The hair, the clothes movement. Oh my God. And I was not sure that it would really look like me, but it's just a little Cymy, you can see? And the material end up very smooth. The finishing is really good. Let's start to make a test. First we need to fix the material here. It's very simple to do. And now we can start. Our Jesus Christ is finished, so let's try to remove it from the base. We just finished to do Jesus Christ, and I'm really impressed with these details. Look at this. TF500 allows you to work with a wide range of materials. For example, aluminum, copper, acrylic, POM, wood, jade, all using modular fixturing system with no need for major adjustments. The power, precision, and also the compatibility with many materials make this machine very versatile, and it's perfect for makers, university, laboratories, small workshop, research centers, small batch production. Its portability allows you to use it in both home studio and professional environments. And comparing with similar machines, TF500 stands out for high precision, higher spindle speed, magazine for more tools, lighter weight, intelligent computer vision alignment. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, TOPFAB is established in Shanghai, specializing in advanced solutions for following sectors: aerospace, automotive, medical, industrial modes. So my conclusion, after running all the tests with TF500, it really proves to be an advanced and extremely good desktop CNC. It has true 5 simultaneous axis, industrial precision of more or less 0.005 millimeters, 60,000 RPM spindle, integrated artificial intelligence, compatibility with many materials, quiet operation. Whether you use it at home or for a small business, there is many features here you can only find in industrial machine. And don't forget, this machine is in campaign right now. You can get more information and a very good discount. Click in the link below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!